Hello all. Okay, so for this extended learning, before I get into the instructions for today, I just want to show you a couple things. So thank you, Marty. I'm doing this as you. So you'll just hit extended flex learning. And before you even get to what we're doing, I put a couple links on here. So if there's a reading that I post, you can use either Select to Speak or Immersive Reader to have it read to you if that's something that will help you. So don't forget these are there. These are videos on how to do it, so it's really easy to set up. So back to extended flex learning. We're in week 1, so go ahead and click week 1. And it is Monday, so for Monday, I'm going to open that folder. And all I have for you today is I want you to watch a video. So you'll click here, and it's an 8.5 minute video. When you're done watching the video, we'll go back to Schoology, and there's a video discussion reflection. And the video is all about how Rio in Brazil is preparing for the Olympics. So question number 1, list 3 changes Rio is making in order to prepare for the 2016 Olympics. Question number 2, who is affected by the changes and how are they affected? So that is what you need to do for today. Once you have posted your answer to both questions, you're all finished. And remember, you can always message me with questions or join me on my contact hours, which are right here. So I'll be available 10:30 to 12:30 every day, and you can just click this link and it'll contact you to me, or if you want to do it by phone, you dial this number and you'll have to enter this PIN number. All right,